Good day, everybody. This is Matthew Dib here at Polestar's Global Fleet Weather Operations Center. Today is Monday, July 20th, and it's about 1900 GMT. And we are going to take a quick look at the ongoing tropics in the Gulf of Mexico. We are looking at tropical depression number 2 in the Gulf of Mexico. And we can see from looping satellite, we can see there is some good spin with the system, but showers and squalls are not very organized at this time and not immediately near the center. We still have some areas of showers and squalls removed away from the center, which is keeping the system fairly weak at this time. Maximum sustained winds are about 30 knots, and at the time of this advisory is 15 GMT here on the 20th. And here's the official track over the next several days. Expected a west-northwest to westerly motion with the official track. Also showing some strengthening here, reaching tropical storm strength over the next 24 to 36 hours, then eventually weakening as it continues to move westward. A couple of things are worth noting here. If the track does stay a little bit further to the south, on the southern envelope of what we have here, then the system may be able to get a little bit better organized. If it's a little bit further north, likely it won't get as well organized and likely weaken quicker than the track. So just a quick wobble north or south could have some pretty big implications on the strength of the system. But where the system is and where it's moving, likely affecting multiple ports along the Gulf Coast from south of Mobile, hitting New Orleans, Southwest Pass, coming in and out, as well as hitting, affecting areas like Lake Charles and potentially Galveston, Houston in the longer range. So definitely some interest there. As we look at the operational GFS model, just to get some timing, potential timings of where the system will be here over the next few days. We do notice the system is moving quite slowly here as we work through tonight, still south of the western portions of the Florida Panhandle, and then slowly moving west-northwestward, moving over or brushing southern Louisiana, not until later on the 22nd, and then continuing to move along the Gulf Coast as we work through the 23rd and 24th as well. Forecast ensembles, fairly decent agreement, just a little spread of how far the system will get north and south. Some slight differences in the speed of the system as well. We do have some models taking it a little bit faster and slower than the others, but in general agreement over the next 24 to 48 hours, pretty good agreement that the system will move pretty slow. And you can see an overall trend here. This showing the pressure on the right, and the lower the pressure, the stronger the system. And you can kind of see here, if the system is a little further offshore, the pressures do drop and it would be a little bit stronger, same as that. And if the system's a little further north, also could get picked up and dragged north and dissipate as. Model intensities over the next week, not much expecting major intensification, generally minimal tropical storm force, and then kind of weakening, which is pretty much in line with the official forecast. We'll continue to monitor here on our side, and please make sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn to receive all the latest weather and routing news. Once again, this is Matthew Dib here. Stay connected and safe, and from everyone here at Polestar Global, have a great rest of your day.